Hello, my name's Joseph Haldane and I'm the chairman of IAFOR. Today I'd like to share with you some tips about presenting online. What to wear. There's no official dress code, but we'd suggest business casual or professional. There's no need to wear a tie. Please make sure that you are ready for your presentation at least 10 to 15 minutes in advance and that you are ready to go when you are called upon. Time really is of the essence and of vital importance in making sure that your presentation goes well. Please be aware of how long the time is for your overall presentation, and also please be aware of time management within your presentation so that you are able to leave appropriate time for each point that you wish to make. You have a 25-minute time slot allocated for you, but we would suggest that you aim for around 15 to 18 minutes, but certainly not more than 20 minutes. After 25 minutes, you will be cut off by the moderator. Structuring your presentation. Please make sure that you know what you want to say and how you want to say it, and keep your points clear, concise, and simple. Structure it clearly and logically, so both you and your audience know where you're going. And this is easy to do with visual signposts on PowerPoint or Keynote. There is no perfect number of slides, but we would suggest no more than 10 to 15. Here, less really is more. Now for slide order. Your first slide should contain the title of your presentation, your name, and your affiliation. Then outline the structure of your presentation in the following slide, listing in order the themes or areas you will be addressing. Subsequent slides should follow this order, with a separate slide introducing each new theme or area, followed by slides containing supplementary text, images, or statistics, followed by concluding points and further research questions. And your last slide should thank the audience for their time and attention, as well as providing your contact details in case they would like to follow up later by email or social media. Practice makes perfect. Before the conference, make sure you spend ample time distilling and crafting your ideas into a well thought out presentation. Do not just read out your paper. A well-written paper does not equal an interesting and effective presentation. Show your passion for your subject. Enthusiasm is infectious. Well, I hope that gave you a few good tips and that you're excited and raring to go. I look forward to seeing your presentation online. Thank you very much for your time.